Welcome to Algeomulus Prep Academy. In today's lesson, we will be solving a trigonometric equation with multiple angles. Let's solve the equation on the interval 0 to 2 pi. The equation is sine 4x equals negative 2 times sine 2x. With this problem, we will be using the double angle formula of sine 2u equals 2 sine u times cosine u. Once again, we have the equation sine 4x equals negative 2 times sine 2x. Since we know the double angle formula is sine 2u equals 2 times sine u times cosine u, we can replace sine 4x with 2 times sine 2x times cosine 2x and then just bring down negative 2 times sine 2x. Now we have to bring everything to the left side of the equation by adding 2 times sine 2x on both sides. Now we have 2 times sine 2x plus 2 times sine 2x times cosine 2x equals 0. Notice the equation is starting to look like an algebra equation, where 2 times sine 2x could represent 2y, plus 2 times sine 2x could also represent 2y, and cosine 2x could represent z. If we use these variables to compare this trigonometric equation with an algebraic equation, we would have 2y plus 2yz equals 0, where we can factor out 2y and have 2y times the quantity of 1 plus z equals 0. Going back to our trigonometric equation, we have 2 times sine 2x plus 2 times sine 2x times cosine 2x equals 0. We can factor 2 sine 2x and have the quantity 1 plus cosine 2x equals 0. This can be separated into two equations where we have 2 times sine 2x equals 0 or 1 plus cosine 2x equals 0. First, let's do the equation 2 times sine 2x equals 0. We can divide by 2 on both sides and have sine 2x equals 0. We can refer to the unit circle where between 0 and 2 pi, sine 2x is at 0 and pi. We need another revolution. Therefore, 2x can also be 2 pi and 3 pi. Since we have 2x equals 0, pi, 2 pi, and 3 pi, we have to multiply by 1/2 on both sides to isolate x. By doing this, all the values of x are in the interval 0 to 2 pi. So now we have x equals 0, pi over 2, pi, and 3 pi over 2. Let's continue with the equation 1 plus cosine 2x equals 0. We can subtract 1 on both sides and have the equation cosine 2x equals negative 1. We can refer to the unit circle where between 0 and 2 pi, cosine 2x equals negative 1 would be at pi. We also need another revolution. Therefore, cosine 2x is also negative 1 at 3 pi. We have 2x equals pi and 3 pi. So we have to isolate x once again by multiplying by 1/2 on both sides. So we end up with x equals pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. We have now solved the equation on the interval 0 to 2 pi. Once again, the equation was sine 4x equals negative 2 times sine 2x. The exact values for x were 0, pi over 2, pi, and 3 pi over 2. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel.